Hi, I'm Raj Khan. I'm a year two student and I study English Literature Politics at Reading University. And I'm here to talk about my time as an intern with Ethical Reading. And my main job was an events organizer. We did a mental health awareness event. So we had a group of 35 people who came together and we talked about how certain signs of mental health could be noticeable. What do you have to do in times of emergency? How to help people to cope with it, and the best way to make them feel comfortable and relaxed. Opportunity that was quite difficult during the internship was going through meetings because only being 19 years old, I don't have a lot of experience in terms of being in professional scenarios, talking to people. Networking opportunities, I would say, was the key bit for my internship. So I met, I think, maybe over 100 organizations. So I had to write a white paper for the Federation of Small Businesses, just summarizing the views that we have, and the information from that document was about the benefits of organizations investing in mental health awareness. So I would say in future I would like to work in the charity sector, specifically a social care worker or something to do with a managerial job in organizing certain charities or social enterprises. Apply for internships very early. Most people say February, March time is usually the latest. So pick what you think will be most fulfilling for you and your future job prospects or career, and make sure that you have good correspondence with the people you've applied for. So I specifically picked MyJobsOnline because through a careers workshop, they said MyJobsOnline is easy to navigate. There's specific sections on the website. You can go to careers, they give you as much advice as you need, and they can show you through the process if you're ever confused about how to attach a CV, your biography, which internships you should apply for that are specific to your degree or your future career.